Hey guys, in this video today I'm going to be showing you how to make your very own strawberry jam. I was at the grocery store and they had these pound of fresh strawberries for 99 cents, so I bought 2 of them. I know that I'm not going to be eating both of them before they start to go bad, and I'm going to make strawberry jam with a pound. You could see here that I've already washed and chopped up 1 pound of the strawberries, and I will be combining them in this pot with 2 cups of sugar and a tablespoon of lemon juice, and I'm going to get that in there and then show you what's next. Okay, as you can see in here, I've got the 2 cups of sugar, the tablespoon of lemon juice, and I've got my heat on medium high. And what I'm just going to start doing is mashing with the potato masher, mixing everything together. It's been a while since I made this, so I'm not sure if I was supposed to use 2 or 3 cups of sugar, but I'm going to go with 2 for now. I think that sounds about right, because it was only 1 pound of strawberries. And the more that they cook, the easier they'll get to mash. So I'm going to just let them keep boiling until everything is done. Keep mashing them along the way. Okay, you can see here that when it's boiling, it gets really big and frothy and bubbly. It's also very liquidy. It's like really liquidy. Don't worry about that. After it cools down, it's going to thicken up. So I'm just going to let it like simmer here for about 10 minutes. Okay, so you can see my strawberry mixture is here. The color is very dark. I've gone ahead and mashed it as much as I can, and now I'm going to transfer it into this jar and just let it cool until the jar is cool to touch, and then put it in the refrigerator. I'm just going to pour this in here. My jar, the lid on. I don't know if you can see all the chunks in there, but now it's just got to cool and then be refrigerated. It looks good though. Okay guys, my strawberry jam has completely cooled off, and I've taken the lid off. It was kind of suctioned on there, but you can see it's nice and thick now. See? I'm going to try it. It's delicious. So as you can see here, I'm going to make me and Lane a peanut butter and strawberry jam sandwich. But hope you guys try this recipe at home. You're going to love it.